Hello, in this video I want to show you how to update the software on your Sony WH-H900N headphones. And to do this, you should first watch our video on how we paired our headphones to the headphones app on Android smartphone, also any other device like iPhone. Next is to open the app headphones, and here we have the WH-H900N, and we can go for the three buttons, and here you can go for the WH-H900N version, which is 1.05 at the moment if you want to see it. But what we're interested in is this notification. If your headphones are in an older version, you should see this notification, so go for more info, click on OK, and now is the thing that they need to be connected to the power. Currently I don't have any charger, but if you plug in the charger to your headphones, you should be able to perform the software update on them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.